to rejoice and to celebrate this and to build cultural bridges. And to me, language is the sincerest form of expression of culture, actually. This is the entryway to any culture. So I wanted us to celebrate. I wanted people to have a place, to build a community where people can safely gather together and be embraced together and try to practice, learn about other languages, about other cultures, and enjoy the diversity that is available here. This is an opportunity. It's a melting pot of nationalities. The reason why I'm interested is because I love the two things. I love languages. I speak already 5 languages, and I love people. I love seeing people. I love interacting with people. I love to see people gathering together. This is a very social setup, very relaxed and very casual, where people can come maybe and unwind after work, and they can have a good chat, maybe meet some new people, or maybe learn a few words as well. So, or maybe more than words. So this is actually my objective, is to build a community, build bridges, intercultural bridges, celebrate the multinationality and the multilingual diversity of us living here in Qatar. And I appreciate you being here. Being an advocate of social sustainability, this is for me a project that actually combines where sustainability meets entrepreneurship. It is step by step. This is my first step, and I appreciate you coming here to do this project test, because starting next week I'm going to start launching it to the public. It's going to be by registration, and it will be actually with fees. However, because part of this is interactive, I really would like people to come and express or tell us about their own culture and language. So the guest who is going to be hosted will be hosted and invited with us. And at the end of this session, I would like you to kindly please scan this for a questionnaire and write down if you would be, there is a question that's asked if you would be interested in being hosted as a cultural guest. So I think this is really the best way for people. I can come and talk about anybody, but who else would be representing their country better than the native people? So this is an invitation for people to come up and just tell us about their culture, tell us about their language, and also have a good time, maybe teach somebody else their languages. We're going to do it in a very casual way. The process is going to be now, we're hosting Gertie is our first guest. We are in an Indian restaurant, and Gertie is from India, so I thought it would be appropriate to actually pay tribute to a wonderful culture with many languages, so she can tell us about. Language is not only verbal, it's non-verbal, it's communication, it's body language, it's sounds, gestures. That's very big part of the language. So we can learn maybe a little bit today about the Indian language. And then after that we'll break into the separate, different tables. I have some language icebreakers if we don't know what we want to say, but at the same time we can play a play with the cards, a game, so we can actually pull a card in the row, and surprisingly you have these questions later on corresponding to the suit and the number. So this can actually start up a conversation as well. And you can all go around and ask the same questions or answer the same question. I think this is interactive. And then later on, there's going to be some prizes for people who learn the most words today. So we're going to have some also a little bit of encouragement. And the objective is to have fun, to really feel relaxed and feel good about it and have a nice experience. So again, thank you very much for coming, and I wish that this will be a very entertaining and very interesting project for you guys. Hopefully next week I have your data, I have your contact details. So maybe I can send you also links. You can share the invites with other people, because the more the merrier. You know, it's nice to have more people and to learn more about different cultures. Without more details, I would like to invite Gertie here to tell us about Indian culture, Indian language, and you know, the different diversity also that you have in India. So thank you very much, Gertie. Thank you.